In this video, I am going to go over how to use the self-checking program to check your homework assignments before submitting them to La Lima Assignments. Okay, so we are going to run through our first assignment, which is to modify Hello World to print this out. Okay, so last time we copy and pasted Hello World in. This time we will bring it in programmatically. So I'm going to copy this URL. Okay, so now I'm going to open my terminal. I get my prompt. I'll see that I am in this top level directory, and I want to navigate into E160, into homeworks, and into folder 2.1. So CD E160 homeworks and 2.1. Okay, there's nothing in here. I am going to use the wget, paste in the URL that I just copied, and it'll bring down the Hello World program. Okay, so definitely this is faster and less prone to human error or copy and pasting errors. You won't miss a character and end up a couple hours just debugging one missing character that you forgot to copy and paste. Okay, so definitely safer. And you will notice that in our assignment, we are expecting username and then the assignment number 2.1. Okay, so the very first thing we'll do, we will move. You can copy if you want, but in this video I'm just going to move to show another command, and also because I wouldn't need it afterwards. I don't need the hello program afterwards, okay, for this video. Okay, so I am going to move the file helloworld.c to my username and the assignment number.c. Okay, you notice it changed, and if I list out the contents, I will have this file, so I'm going to open it. Okay, so right now this is the Hello World program, and I'm going to check it now. Okay, so this kind of shows you what directory you're in, but if you want to be very positively sure, you can use the print working directory. So these are the things you want to be certain of before you run the self-checking program. You're in the directory that you expect, and within that directory is the source code of your program that you expect. And the source code of the program is named with your UH username and the assignment number. Okay? So you must be sure to verify these things before you run the self-check program. Otherwise, you'll get funny results. Okay, so the self-check program, you can get to it from the extras tools page, and this is the command to run it. So you'll notice, see, I have a copy and paste error here. Okay, so it's Ruby, the tilde is the home, and the E160 scripts, and then grade, space, check, space, assignment number, space, username. So again, use your UH username. So again, that's the portion before the @ sign. And this is the command you want. Some pitfalls I've seen is students putting in the file name. Okay, so that's not going to work for the grading program. Neither is this. Okay. And also don't switch the two. Okay. There's always assignment number and then your UH username. Okay, so the only command that works is this one. And again, before you run it, make sure you're in the right directory and the directory contains your homework file. So let's run it. We are not going to upload it yet. And the program will generate a report file. And in it, it'll tell you what kind of errors it caught. So you notice the output did not correctly, the program did not correctly output. It was nice meeting you world. So let's fix the program. So in here, we are going to add that with the new line, right? So let's, okay, let's go back. One thing I want to, again, reiterate. Okay, so this is the original program. It's still saying we don't have it correctly, right? And we're about to fix that. Okay, so now it didn't save, okay? So if I were to run it again without saving, it's going to give me the same grade, all right? So be sure to save. Okay, I'm gonna save right now. And now if I run it and look at the report, my grade has increased. And you'll notice after running a couple times, it starts to be really hard to read. So one thing you can do is just remove the report file before you run it again. So it's easier to check the error message. Okay, so it doesn't refresh. Yeah, so this is a case where it didn't refresh for you. So you have to close it and reopen it. And it's just easier to figure out what's the latest errors in your code. Okay, so you'll run through this a couple times until you get the score that you want. Right, keep on changing your program and running until you attain your desired score. And that's pretty much it for the self-checking program. I hope it'll save you some trouble.